Okay, Volvo S60, the worst car I ever worked. Sorry to say this because this hose was leaking. The heater hose, which is run from there to here, down over here. Sorry, let me show you the bottom one, not the top one. I removed the top one to get access to the bottom one, which is brand new over here. And there's something overflow. You have to disconnect, press this, happen. The nightmare is right here. You may not have enough space to interact with from this guy. You have to press hard, pull it. You can use this, or you can use this. So this is the original part from Volvo, and this is the part number. This might work for 2015, 16, 17, 18, also for XC60, and I don't know others. This is a 2.0 turbo S60 T5 Premium. So remove the battery, remove the airbox, remove the battery and the accessories to get this guy out. This one is so simple. There is a little clip. Once you remove the clip, it might not easy, but use a screwdriver and then remove it. That's it. So that's how it is. This is just the inlet hose. See, this is the old part number. Same, the new one. That's it. It's like, the reason I say the worst car I ever worked, it's not easy to access everything. Look, a lot of vacuum lines and hoses everywhere for this 2.0 simple engine.